Alpha are out of service. Hazardous weather information for Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio is available on Hiawatha.
5190, clear direct Jackie.
Advise controller on initial contact you have Romeo. Cincinnati Lunken Airport information Romeo 1953 observation. Wind 070
2506, contact and you turn out 124.62.
Visibility 10.
Have a good day.
Light rain. Sky conditions 8,000 overcast. Temperature 7. Dew point -1.
Trigger
Altimeter
6093.
3033. Expect visual approach landing departing runway 3 right.
Blue Streak 5077.
There's a crane operating at half-mile west southwest of the airport below 100 feet AGL. Runway 21 right guard lights at taxiway Alpha are out of service. Hazardous weather information for Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio is available on Hiawatha and flight service frequencies. Advise controller on initial contact you have Romeo.
Number 1357 Sierra, roger. There's no known or observed traffic between you and the Bluefield Airport. However, there is one aircraft that's at your, I'm going to call it about your 7, 8 o'clock now and about 10 miles southwestbound. Now, it's gate 6,600. He is a little bit faster than you heading southwestbound. Looks like you should stay out in front of him, but just as a heads up. And radar services are terminated. Squawk and maintain VFR. Stay approved. You have a good day. Blue Streak 5077, cross Jackie at maintain 1000. Blue Streak 5048, audible 230 is going to be your final today.
Okay, so level 250, base 5048.
Endeavor 5190, cross Jackie at maintain 1000, Cincinnati altimeter 3030. There, 5190, you have traffic 10 o'clock, 20 miles eastbound of Boeing 767 with 1,000 feet above. Apex 3105, traffic 12 o'clock, 20 miles, out to direct to CRJ, 1,000 feet below.
Apex 3105.
Endeavor 5190, if I didn't give it to you already, Cincinnati altimeter 3030. November 24 Whiskey Mike, actually disregard. Blue Streak 5077, contact Cincinnati approach 119.7, have a good day.
Gammajet 856, 15,000, climbing 230.
Gammajet 856, any center, roger? Sir, 231 Delta Romeo, contact the Cincinnati approach now 128.7.
1287, 1 Delta Romeo, see ya.
Array 33 Julia Rome.
Cincy Mooney 231 Delta Romeo, 8000 with Romeo.
Mooney 231 Delta Romeo, Cincinnati approach, good afternoon, altimeter Cincy 3030, expect visual approach runway 3 right.
Look for the visual 3 right, 1 Delta Romeo.
At 1834 Cincinnati approach, good afternoon, altimeter is 3030.
Cincy 1 Delta Romeo, you got lower for us.
Next approach 121.0. November 231 Delta Romeo, contact approach 121.0.
121.0, 1 Delta Romeo.
170 knots, contact.
Cincy Mooney 231 Delta Romeo, 8000.
November 231 Delta Romeo, Cincinnati approach, Cincinnati altimeter 3030.
3030 for 1 Delta Romeo, looking for lower if you could do it for us.
1 Delta Romeo, flighting 270.
270, 1 Delta Romeo.
Got a 2689, you're riding 270. Counting 345 heavy, turn left, heading 070. Endeavor 5420, contact tower 118.3. Got a 2689, reduce speed to 180. November 231 Delta Romeo, traffic 10 o'clock, 2 miles northbound is a Cirrus level 6000. Expect lower clear traffic.
1 Delta Romeo, we'll be looking fine, thanks.
Blue Streak 5077, turn left, heading 280, back to Stevens. Up 2689, 4 from Simru, turn right heading 340, maintain 3000, still establish localizer. Good ILS 36 center approach. County 345 heavy, turn 10 degrees right and reduce speed to 180. Thank you.
1 Delta Romeo's got the traffic just past under us.
1 Delta Romeo outstanding, descend and maintain 4000.
At 8 for 4, 1 Delta Romeo.
Blue Streak 5077, descend and maintain 6000. 345 heavy, speed 180 knots, then descend and maintain 4,000. Mooney 231 Delta Romeo, turn right, heading 320, vector visual approach.
Right 320 vectors for the visual, 1 Delta Romeo.
Delta 2689, contact tower 118.3. Descent, maintain 3,000. Connie 345 heavy, 4 miles from sim route, turn left, heading 030, maintain 3,000 until established localizer, clear ILS runway 36 center approach. Blue Streak 5077, descend and maintain 4,000, turn right, heading 330, and join the localizer. Got 892, Cincinnati approach low, information Zulu current, Cincinnati altimeter, 3029er, expect the visual, runway 36 center. Blue Streak 5077, 10 miles from sim room, maintain 4,000 till sim room, cleared ILS runway 36 center approach, maintain 170 knots till jive test. Connie 345 heavy, contact tower 118.3. Blue Streak 5077, caution wing turbulence, 8 miles in trail of a heavy Boeing 767. 231 Delta Romeo, Lunken Airport, 1 o'clock, 13 miles.
1 Delta Romeo, we got the airport.
Or 231 Delta Romeo, cleared visual, approach runway 3 right.
Cleared for visual 3 right, 1 Delta Romeo. It's across the river, off to the right. Down in a hole.
Where's the Cincy? Which is it? Fort
The big
there?
airport's over there.
Yeah. Fort Thomas and Covington. Yeah.
Yeah, it's,
Or Newport, maybe.
yeah.
Blue Streak 5077, Tower 18-3.
Yeah, kind of straight ahead, actually.
Yeah.
You can see the city straight ahead.
Approach 063 Juliet Romeo request.
3 Juliet Romeo, service left.
Guy dropped down to 4,000 just below my 18 potential.
3 Juliet Romeo, descend and maintain 4,000.
833 Juliet Romeo.
About 892, descend and maintain 900,000. November 231 Delta Romeo, contact Lunken Tower 118.7.
Over the tower, 1 Delta Romeo, see ya. Lunken Mooney 231 Delta Romeo on the visual 3 right.
City 231 Delta Romeo, Lunken Tower, runway 3 right, clear to land.
1 Delta Romeo. See the open area
Oh, yeah.
where the,
Yeah.
it's over
Yeah.
there.
Downtown.
Yeah.
Covered Orange 319, Lunken Tower, you ready to go?
Ready to go.
Covered Orange 319, fly runway heading, runway 3 right, cleared for takeoff.
Let's take off 3 right, we'll fly runway heading 390.
And traffic is Mooney inbound on a 6-mile file. 319, contact Cincinnati departure.
Over departure, 319.